Hey, what's good, man? YouTube, man. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how you can make money with sagapoll doing surveys. So yeah, let's not waste any time. Let's get into the video, man. Basically, so let me operate a screen recording, and just so I can really explain in terms of how you can use sagapoll, man. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Yeah. Sagapoll is an African online survey app that allows you to earn money by completing surveys. So the first thing that you need to do is download the app. The Sagapoll is available on the Google Play Store and iStore. Download the app and then install the app on your smartphone. Then after that, create an account. Sign up for a free account by providing your personal information. Also, you gotta ensure that your details are accurate and complete. Make sure that everything is nice and complete. Then after completing your profile, fill out your profile throughout. Like put your details correctly. A complete profile increases the likelihood of receiving more surveys that measure your demography and interest, so meaning you are basically going to get more surveys. So yeah, participating in surveys regularly. Check the apps for available surveys, answer them honestly to earn more points. You can earn more points by inviting friends and family to join sagapoll using your referral code. Both you and your referral can earn extra points by referring. Then after that is redeeming your points. Redeem your points once you've accumulated enough points to the threshold to like withdraw. It's 5,000. As you can see, I have already like close to 1,000 points. I'm only left with 4,000, I think. Then you can redeem them and turn them into cash or other rewards depending on the option available in your country. But if you are in Africa, then you are in luck, because this one doesn't need this one doesn't need PayPal for you to withdraw, so you can use your banking details. You see, here's your banking. You can add your banking information. Let me give you tips to maximize your earnings. Make sure that you stay active regularly. Participate increases your chances of receiving more surveys, and make sure that you have to be honest and provide truthful response so that you don't get disqualified for the surveys.